how was your investment strategy different when you were still accumulating money as opposed to managing billions?
Well, managing $1 million is an entirely different game than running Berkshire Hathaway or running some 20 or $50 billion fund of money. And if Charlie and I were running $1 million now or 100,000, or we would be looking in some, we'd be looking at probably some very small things. We would be looking for small discrepancies in certain situations, and the opportunities are out there, and periodically they're extraordinary. But that's something we really don't think about anymore, because our problem is handling 12 or 14 billion or whatever it might be coming in every year, and that means we have to be looking for very big deals and forget about what we used to do when we were very young. Charlie?
Yeah, I'm glad I'm through with that particular problem.
He worked pretty hard at it when
Yes,
we both did.
Did we ever?
Yeah, yeah. We looked under a lot of rocks, and
I used to make big returns on my float on my own income taxes. Between the time I got the money and I paid it to the government, I frequently made enough money to pay the tax. But I was working for small amounts of money and doing anomalous things.
he didn't tell me how to do it, though.
Warren Buffett has said so many times that he would be able to average 50% a year easily in the stock market if he had small amounts of money. He is not able to do that now because he has so much money, billions of dollars. It's unable to move that money around like he did before, when he had $100,000, when he had $1 million. And the companies he can find and actually invest in are a small pool now. So how would he do it now if he had small amounts of money? Think about the book You Can Become a Stock Market Genius by Joel Greenblatt. He averaged 50% a year. What did he do? He found different companies. He found different opportunities, like spin-offs, like restructuring, like bankruptcy deals, like arbitrage opportunities, maybe even emerging markets. Like, what do you think Mohnish Pabrai is doing? He's going to Turkey, he's going to China. He's finding areas in the market where people are not going to invest in, where there's actually opportunities to find cheap companies. Once you get those huge returns from doing that, you might have to wait 1 or 2 years to go in and out of businesses that you might like. But if you see a better opportunity, you will have to invest it and take that chance. And in a small, concentrated type of portfolio with 6 to 8 stocks. That's how people like Warren Buffett did it, like Joel Greenblatt, like Charlie Munger. So the opportunity is there to make 50% a year. Even if you can't do that, 30, 35% a year is still amazing. So finding companies where people do not want to invest in, where you see huge opportunities, that's how you can become a stock market genius. That's how you can make 50% a year.